Last Monday, the top story on all of the British front pages was Boris Johnson getting admitted to the hospital for COVID-19. Exactly a week later, papers are now marking his recovery. Conservative tabloid The Sun publishing on their front page photos of the two ICU nurses who they say were by Johnson's bedside day and night. The Prime Minister told the media that it could have gone either way and said that the UK's National Health Service saved his life. For left-wing papers, though, there is quite a bit of hypocrisy in this. Take a look at this cartoon from Brian Adcock in The Independent. We see Boris Johnson waving goodbye to his nurse, who is looking completely run down. In recent weeks, Johnson's government has been criticized for failing to provide NHS workers with proper protective equipment and testing. Meanwhile, the Washington Post is taking a look at another world leader, the president of Nicaragua, who hasn't been seen in public in a month. The paper writes that people are starting to wonder if Daniel Ortega is ill, dead, or simply avoiding human contact. For the paper, his absence is somewhat symbolic of Nicaragua's refusal to confront the pandemic. Not only has the country not banned mass gatherings as its neighbors have done, Nicaragua has actually been encouraging and even organizing them, much to the alarm of health and human rights groups. Finally, we end with the story of a damsel in distress, a 93-year-old woman in Pennsylvania who held a sign up to her window to alert her neighbors that she was facing a dire crisis. She had run out of beer. The photo of her went viral and reportedly led to many offers of Coors Light, her apparent drink of choice. Definitely makes you want to try it at home, although I imagine many of us would not have quite the same success.